Good morning to all. My name is Safir Rahman. I study in class 1B in the Holy Angels English Academy. Today I would like to explain the math project clock and the time. This is a clock. A clock has two hands, long hand and short hand. The long hand is also called the minute hand. The short hand is also called the hour hand. The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 8. So the time is 8 o'clock. The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. So the time is 3 o'clock. The minute hand is at 3 and our hand is at 6. So the time is 6:15. The minute hand is at 6 and our hand 12:30. So the time is 12:30. The minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is moving to 1. So the time is 1:15. Bye bye. Have a nice day.